Welcome to Study Loop.
Problem number 41 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem says give the structure corresponding to each name. So there are 12 of these. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So for A, we have propanoic anhydride, or propanoic anhydride. And so this is going to be an anhydride. There we go. It's going to be an anhydride with 3 carbons on each side. So there we go. All right. B is alpha-chlorobutyryl chloride. This is going to be a 4-carbon acid chloride. With another chlorine in the alpha position. All right. For C, we have cyclohexyl propanoate. So cyclohexyl, we can draw the cyclohexane, and that is going to be what is attached to the oxygen of this ester. And then propanoate tells us that the other side is going to be 3 carbons. So there we go. For D, we have cyclohexane carboxamide. So this is going to be a cyclohexane with an amide. Okay, and so there's that. For E, we have isopropyl formate. So this is going to be formate. Tells us that this is going to be a 1-carbon ester. And the isopropyl tells us that attached to the oxygen will be an isopropyl group. And so there it is. For F, we have N-cyclopentyl pentanamide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentanamide, of course, means 5-carbon chain amide. And then N-cyclopentyl means that we're going to have a cyclopentane group on the nitrogen. Okay, and so there is that. For F, for G, we have 4-methyl heptane nitrile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's our heptane nitrile. And here would be a methyl group on carbon 4. For H, we have vinyl acetate. And so we can draw an acetate, which is going to look like this. And then on this oxygen will be a vinyl group. So there's that. Okay, for I, we have benzoic propanoic anhydride. So this is a mixed anhydride. And so the one side is going to be benzoic. And the other side is going to be propanoic. So there we go. There's our mixed anhydride, benzene on one side, and a 3-carbon chain on the other. Okay, so that was I. For J, we have 3-methylhexanoyl chloride. Okay, so this is going to be a 6-carbon chain ending in an acid chloride. So here's our acid chloride and a methyl group on carbon 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. For K, We have octylbutanoate. Okay, so butanoate is going to be a 4-carbon ester. So we can draw that. And then octyl is going to be an 8-carbon chain. Okay, so that's K. And then lastly for L, we have NN-dibenzyl formamide. Okay, so this is going to be a formamide. So 1-carbon amide. And then we have NN-dibenzyl. So remember, benzyl is going to be 1 carbon and then an aromatic ring. And we're going to have 2 of these. Okay, and so there we go. There's NN-dibenzyl formamide. All right, and to get these structures, you pretty much have to know the naming rules. But when you know the naming rules, it becomes pretty simple. The name tells you exactly what you're looking for. Yeah, and so these are just 12 examples of carboxylic acid derivatives. And the nomenclature rules, if you need to review them, appear at the beginning of this chapter. And that's the answer to chapter 22, problem number 41.